Excuse me.
Okay, now that's better. Should be live. The it's done means I'm live. Okay. So I guess we're back to this thing, which we should probably promote to tools graphics. And name this to mix some more to be um is there a story behind Mixamo? Like behind the name? Name, his story. Uh, Mixamo name. Oh. Obviously we got best viewers immediately. Why? They're becoming more popular recently. How do we name this thing? Actually, should have been easy. Okay, so we have flakes. Let's make their src source. Then move main py into src. Excuse me. Um, then let's create, I don't know, assets. Keep their assets. I'm not really a fan of making assets. So first of all, remove this. So we have this, those three things, and an image. Should be good enough. Then, do we get PyCharm here? Maybe we should get PyCharm. Will it even work? Okay, PyCharm isn't even in Nix packages. Or it's probably like JetBrains.PyCharm. I'm pretty sure. Obviously. Wow, that's crazy. Build from source, patched by. Okay, I don't want to build it right now. Please. So let's just do this. And yeah, I didn't really do. Oh wait, no, I did do stuff after the stream yesterday. I didn't do anything today yet. And yes, we wasted more days. Well, wasted. If I can make this into Mixamo, actually, Mixamo like thing, I can submit this project alone. And it would kind of fit the theme, it would kind of be a great tooling. And I kind of also want to make a video about it. Don't know if it's worth it then, though. I can't talk today. Should be live though. No, 4 frames skipped. Okay, let's fetch it. Well, by the way, while it's building, and by the way, my background died because partition. So let's maybe so hard. While it's building, I mean, No, come on. Yeah, for you with latency it's gonna be very hard. uh, Come on. No. Nice. No, I hate when it's stuck. Gets stuck. Cheating. Uh, for one for free. Come on. Ooh, this looks great. What do I? Ah, no. So close. Almost 8. Well, 7. It's fair because one of them was automatic. Let's do another one while it's building. I mean downloading. Wait, this. Okay. It's heavy. Ghost is too heavy to get in here. Ooh, hacks is even heavier, I guess. Get up. Okay, we need to accelerate it. It can be very hard to get some of those. Okay, now we got it, right? Nice. I'm getting the hang of it. Tags just fell on my head through the thing. Gleam, a recent plush actually. Ow. No, 6. Even worse than last time. How? It's almost downloaded. I guess it's gonna be installing also. Well, seems like it is almost downloaded. Okay, now we're waiting. Ooh. I think it works. Yay! Ooh. That's new. Okay, continue. Sure, send everything. You can send non-anonymous. Ooh, that's fancy. What if I import settings from VS Code? I don't know, I don't really have any settings in here, so I guess I'm gonna skip it. Because I don't really want shortcuts probably. Wait, I'm pressing the wrong key combination. And also, let me mess some stuff up. Start collaborating from Stream Manager. Ooh, invite guests. Maybe one day I'm gonna do a game jam with someone. Ooh, Heat is here. Ooh, that's fancy. So yeah, maybe one day I'm gonna do a stream with someone. I'm gonna do a game jam. Okay, and why did I open Stream Manager? I need view rewards, power-ups and channel points. I wish I could make my own power-ups, but at the same time, do I really need them? All default rewards are disabled. Okay, so I wanted to, first of all, I'm sorry about this. Nope, not today. Play a game, yeah, sure, add command. I'm gonna disable this one. Okay, so we have emote only chat, push-ups, which I don't know how I'm gonna do today. If they're gonna get redeemed. It's theme change. This is available in the editor I'm using right now. Think about other chatters. other numbers if it's hot dog or similar. Okay, something like that. And now, what else here? Theme change, add time, suggest a pool. Oh, what does suggest a pool have? Actually, no one's using it, so add time also no one's using it. This. Emote on chat. I'm not gonna do this because enabling it is hard. Also editor, change play game, add a command, add a mrf slash. Okay, good enough. I still need to do this to finish it. Okay, now PyCharm. Ooh. Can I just open like... Do I have to create a Python project or something? Because I don't really want to. I trust my projects. Right? Okay, now hopefully it's not gonna create too much garbage. And other files. How do I open the terminal? Is there a quick way? Not sure about this. Terminal. To enable the beta version of the new terminal with command completion. Ooh, yeah, I heard about this, but is it really a beta version? It's like forever. It was here forever. And this terminal is ugly. Let me see. And is this really it? Ooh, it's not that bad actually. But I kind of like my shell a little bit better. So I'm gonna disable this. Please don't run bash. Okay, this is ZSH. Nix develop. Why is it not Starship though? I don't understand why Starship doesn't want to run in PyCharm. Or maybe it is Starship actually. Well, actually maybe it is. It probably is Starship. Configure Python interpreter. Manage packages. Ooh, I don't know. I should probably actually exit. So actually, can I do like cd this and nix develop dash c this command? This is fancy. Can I run this? zsh dash c. Boom. Will it work? Is it gonna work? No idea. Or bash dash c quotes this. Maybe this time it will work. Command line run this. Okay, run terminal window, let's see. Why is it not running? Oh, it's just collecting the thing. I mean, hopefully it's not gonna rebuild like the Python interpreter. It shouldn't, because it's just a Python. Wait, is it Python package or is it Python with packages? I think it's actually Python with packages. PyCharm started, which means I can probably close this. Heat. Okay, let's close everything that we don't need. Leave the PyCharm only. And then it should probably even detect the Python interpreter. Impure. Okay, so Starship works. Now this thing, no, I have to configure it. Add new Python interpreter, add local interpreter. No, it's not venv. It's this. Oh, there are certain environments existing. Interpreter. How do I set up PyCharm with Nix? PyCharm Nix. I mean, I could do venv. Don't say I have to like do. I mean, I have this. Hi, it should still. What? I mean, in this case, then it should work just fine. Interpreter settings. Add interpreter. It's not local. Okay, environment existing. Interpreter path. This. No. Okay, so this is the interpreter. I guess. Ooh, it even saw pillow. That's nice. Apply. Okay. Now it probably created or did it. Oh, welcome in, Nigel. Okay, PyCharm. Is it working now? Oh. I mean, not that I'm gonna run it with the run button. I'm gonna do a Python src/main. And this terminal is slow. Okay, now. Do I get completions? That's why I set up the interpreter. Okay, during indexing, but okay, complete enough. Now I guess we actually need to do some work with it. Can I? Ooh, I can view it. I wish I could also edit it, like overlay the skeleton on top of it, the pose. But unfortunately, I can't do this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I did some work off stream, and now we get a little bit closer, just a little bit. Well, there are still holes. So I guess we can go back a little. It's not animated, but I mean, it's just a single frame. We can do multiple frames and then it's gonna be animation. So, look. If we finish this thing and get to like the state where Mixamo is, we can call it a project and submit it to the gem as is, because this is code gem. This is not a game gem. You can submit tools to it. What did I want to open? Oh, hold on. I wanted to first of all add it to GitHub, because that's a good idea. The H repo. Create. Okay, push this. Sure. Art tone. How? What is this? What this thing even does? Uh, terminal. Generates sprites from pixel art skeleton. Public, obviously. Add a remote, obviously. Remote should be called origin. Now should be able to add all this stuff. Commit dash m initial push. Oh, set upstream. Didn't I set automatic remote? Huh? Okay, it's pushed now. Let's go to GitHub. This is kind of funny. So you know about Mixamo for 3D stuff. I guess it's kind of close. Okay, so why doesn't it feel autofill readme? It has the power to do so. It's so easy. You just take this, put it here, and also you just take the repository name and put it here. I would like to capitalize the first letter. This is like the easiest way to generate a readme. Sim is run, yeah. Or well, see code champ for my game for well can be used as a submission by itself. Okay. Actually, I should probably link the game gem, and also probably link the game once it's gonna be a thing. Gem, we'll see code gem 2024. Yeah, the sim is run 5 days, 7 hours. Wow, the time is running out. Create readme, write on GitHub, and then I also would like to add another file, which is license. I mean, it's a tiny script, but I would actually like to give it a proper license. I'm not gonna worry about dual licensing as I do normally with like big Rust projects. Like normally I would put it under the unlicensed or WTFPL. Oh, you just noticed it. Temporary unavailable. Uh, so we're licensing this under MIT. Today's editor is GitHub itself. Hold on. This door is impossible to close from inside. Anyway. License, MIT license, copyright. Sure, commit. Okay. Now we need to pull our new changes. And now, I mean, this code looks garbage. Also, to me, it's a little too dark because I'm right now in. So I have windows right near me, and it's not sunny, which is actually really great because it's hot enough. Ooh. Tomark Stokes code is live and doing something interesting. We might read them, but it's probably not the case. They might read us. See, I have a window near me, and it's so light here that I can't really see the code. Okay, how do I zoom in JetBrains IDE? What? No, Control Shift. Yeah, like how can I change the font? Is there command palette? Are birds inside my home or outside? Inside. They are actually in the same room as I am right now. That's why you can probably hear them. And you can normally hear them when I'm streaming because, like, I mean, maybe you can't. So normally I'm streaming like 3 meters away from here in another room, which is like right here. But I guess for the next year I'll be streaming from this room until the summer again. Okay, so how do I make the font bigger? Where is anything? Where is the menu? Where is edit? Where's command palette? Anything? How do I use this IDE? By charm, make font bigger. Change the font size. Control Alt 0. What is this? Control Alt 0S. I feel like something's wrong. What did I press? Control Alt S is settings, I guess. Appearance and behavior. Appearance. Seem dark. Can you do light? Ooh. Okay, now I like this more. For now, we'll probably leave it. I mean, okay, fine. I mean, it's so light in the rooms. Oh, this looks better. This looks a little brighter. I mean, it doesn't look better. It's just a little lighter. Okay, so how do I make zoom? Okay, can we not accessibility, please? Can I change the font for the editor only? The font size. Oh, you get ads too. 10 seconds. Drag and drop. How to make this? Presentation mode. Okay, I'm not going into that. Oh wait, size. Use custom font. I would use. Oh, I don't remember which one. See, common something. Oh, wait, commit mono nerd font mono, and the size would be a little bigger. 16, for example. Apply. It applied to everything except the editor. No thanks. I want to apply it to the editor only. I guess I need to go here. Yeah, font. Okay, that's better. Commit mono. Nerd font mono, size 16. Okay, let's do 18. Enable ligatures? No. I'm not gonna do ligatures. Okay, that's a little better. So let's maybe split it up into modules a little bit. So there's gonna be this, there's gonna be this. Then a new file, pose pi. This is so frustrating. I mean, I'm gonna edit manually anyway. But I don't want to press anything on this dialog. I don't want it to be like permanent. At the same time. Anyway, so find pose bone color. We're gonna move this out in here. We're gonna import. Wait. Oh, by the way, can I enable Vim mode? I think I can. In JetBrains it should be integrated. Vim. How do I VI modal code editing modal. Nope, that's not it. That's definitely not it. Okay, so editor, general. Why is it not enabled by default? But I mean, sure. Virtual space, software apps. I hate software apps. Scrolling on save code editing. There's nothing, or at least I can't tell anything. Just decided to try it. I mean, I know JetBrains IDEs are great, and I only use PyCharm and IntelliJ IDEA out of them, because Java is just the IntelliJ IDE is basically for Java. And it's the best IDE for Java. And PyCharm, same. PyCharm, I mean, I don't know any other Python IDE except like Tony. I used IntelliJ, I liked it. Yeah, it is too heavy. It is very heavy. Color scheme, okay, we're not touching that. Code style, we're also not touching that. Inspections, okay, I guess I need to Google it. Which is bad. JetBrains. You need to change stuff. Make it easier to do. Because like literally I open the ID, how do I do anything? How do I figure out that I need to press Ctrl S to open settings? I mean, you can use Vim for Java. PyCharm, Vim mode. Vim keybinds. Oh, so I do have to install plugin for it. Okay, makes sense. Then Vim or model idea Vim. Vim engine. It's literally Vim engine. Okay, now. Ooh, this is cool. You can. I mean, kinda true, yeah. Setting up Java as a language server is hard. By the way, can you beat up my score? Actually, I got 7. Or is latency too bad today again? Okay, so I wanted to import this thing. Import image from peel. Do I PIL? I mean, I think PIL is... Wait, pillow is the fork of pill. Okay, so now... LSP was too far. Yeah, I mean, I'm not talking about Gradle or Maven. Gradle is actually pretty easy to invoke, but I I don't really like it. To be honest, I hate all Java build systems. But yeah, I've used Gradle with Maven somehow. I don't know how, but it was like a Gradle setup, but Maven plugins packages. I don't know. I didn't do much Java development with like. Uh, we needed Maven. Yeah. I mean, I didn't do much Java with like packages. All Java I did mostly is like, so I opened NetBeans, which is a Java IDE I started with. Oh, there's also Eclipse, which I didn't like. See, I opened the NetBeans. I create a new project. I can import like Java Swing and or Java FX in it, and it's gonna work. I never used Java FX, by the way. What's EMG or just EMG? Um, do we do type hints? Is this how you do tuples? I don't think it's how you do tuples. Yeah, that's why I like Java, and that's why I like Rust. Partially. I mean, I love Rust not only for its STD. Rust is just great. It has its STD is awesome. Its tooling is awesome. It has a list of libraries. It's compiled, and it compiles for everything. Like, and it is memory safe. And its STD makes it easy to write, and the trade system is nice. Rust enums is nice. Language design is also very nice. Like, look, in Rust you have docs for everything. In docs you have emojis. That's so fancy. So you can hover over something in Rust, and the doc is gonna pop up with emojis and stuff, and code examples, and you can test docs. Yeah, Java STT has windowing stuff because Java was meant to run on 2 billion devices. It's like 2 billion devices ran Java in 2000s. Uh, 2 billion devices run Java in 2024. I mean, okay, image column. So visited is gonna. It's this. I mean, I think you do array or something, but can I just do this as a type hint? An array of a tuple of int. Is this actually a valid type hint? A list. Yeah, obviously not an array, a list. Okay, seems like it is, which is interesting. And what's wrong with this? Shadows, name color from outer scope, sure. Sure. Well, actually, no, this is. Don't say this is lambda. This can't be lambda. Also, neighbors should probably be. Yeah, you should move this here. Okay, also, I should probably actually put neighbors. Oh, I forgot to do this. So I should probably put neighbors inside. I don't really like those hints because they mess up my interpretation of lines. I think that this is a separate line, but I mean, new what is this? New something, huh? Specify type for reference in doc string. Nope, I'm not gonna do doc strings. So point is int. This returns a list of ints. And then I need to filter that. And So how can I format it into multiple lines? Can I really do that? For x, y, can I put an if here and x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 and okay, I should probably be more consistent. What? Undo in idea Vim now works like in Vim. Step. Ooh, interesting. Okay, now get back. Effect index is less than width and y is less than height, which we're also gonna declare. We're gonna move this here. So width height equals emg size, which I'm not really a fan of doing this, but kinda now I do. Then we need pixels equals mg load, which, yeah, this is a necessary step if I do this a few times, really. But I mean, maybe caching will save it. So this function will probably be called multiple times on the same image, and this should not be called multiple times, but I guess it's gonna be cached. Then we have neighbors, okay, with bounds checking now. Count neighbors of a point. This returns an int and takes a point, which is this. Yeah, this is very specific count, which is an int. Can I do like this? Is this a oh, this operator stands for something else. Hold on. Post pixels. Now what's this? Unresolved reference to post pixels because it's just pixels. Okay, neighbor is, does it? Any. Why any? When neighbors is a function that returns a list. Points any. It's not point any. Is not any. Okay, do I have to do tuple? Do I have to do it like that? I hate this. Oh, and then I also need to import it. I have no idea. I don't know how type annotations work in Python. Okay, give me help. Oh wait, it's, yeah, I still remember those shortcuts from IntelliJ IDE days. Import this name from typing. Why? From typing import everything, sure. Oh, and by the way, I can also swap those from import image. No idea why. No. Okay, now what's up? Two blank lines found one. Can you can format? Wait, is it Alt Shift F for formatting? No, I don't know what it is for formatting. Can I look up keymap format? Reformat code Alt Shift L. Why? Reformat file Control Alt Shift L. That's just annoying. Okay, what's up? What's wrong? Continuation line unlined for hanging. What? What does this even mean? Continuation line unlined for hanging indent. Reformat the file doesn't do anything. Tweet more actions. De Morgan's law. Yeah, no. Nope. I don't need that much notes. Okay, I don't understand what this is. So Boolean operations, and also when expressions are used by control flow statements, the following values are interpreted as false. False Non-numeric. Okay, what am I reading? Okay, so if I just do this, it stopped. What was I reading when it it complained about the formatting? Excuse me. Okay, do we have to put parentheses around it and then it's gonna like it? Nope. What are you complaining about? Is it like not aligned like this? Okay, this is ew. This is gross. This is no. I don't like this. I don't agree with Pep in any way in here. So I'm actually gonna ignore this lint. Okay, so visited count neighbors. Okay, now neighbors should be any. This function takes a tuple. Now this thing returns a list of a tuple. I wonder why this is a valid syntax, but still doesn't work. Returns any because I need to make this a list. Now pixels any image load. That's a joke, right? Tuple. Python is joking, right? Right? Can I do? By the way, can I do type? Color equals. I don't think it's something. It's a thing. Python redefine type. Well, not redefine. Type alias. Uh. Yeah, this is awful. But just assignment is fine. Oh, actually, yeah, I remember. No import needed. Okay, now I can remove this. This is old. Then I can do color equals a tuple. Now I can do color here, right? Now I can do I don't know vec I vec I'll do I vec is a tuple of int. Ideally I would have actual vectors, but I'm not gonna do this. A list of ivecs. Ivec. Now, what's wrong? 2 lines. Yep. This formatting shortcuts still. Still no. He visited is a list of ivec. Now, count neighbors takes ivec, returns an int. Okay, what's this? What is this? Single line if statements? Why? There's nothing wrong with it. Why would you move this thing? I don't know where. Okay, sure. So now neighbor has a type, right? Finally. Okay, now If it's out of bounds, we continue. If it's visited, we continue. If it's not the right color, we continue. Else we return the count. Okay, do I have to assign a type here? Python assignment carry type or something like that. Ooh. Yeah, that's a great question. Oh. Oh wait, assignment infer overlay crashed? Oh, actually, yeah, it did. It feels wrong according to Python syntax. It doesn't feel wrong. Why did overlay crash? Uh, why did it crash? I guess Godot's problem. Yeah, this is all fine. All fine. It just crashed. Yeah, when overlay crashes, you can't even read chat me. Okay, hopefully I don't have to log in. Listening. And obviously this is wrong, but fine. Let's score one. Instead of doing work. Okay, so I wanted to move this here. Type inference. So this doesn't for type. Oh, it's my pie. My pie is something else. Okay. Enough of that for meme. I guess statically. Okay, here at least, can you? No, it's any. Why? Image size is not any. Or is it? Image is any? Excuse me? Why is it any? It's not any. Oh wait, image dot image. That's why. Now this is int. This is any. Load returns any. Oh yeah, sure. Now it infers to some degree. Okay, so this is list of IVX. Origin is tuple of int and something. What? It's a tuple of it's IVEC actually. IVEC. Now what is this? Oh, still IVEC. Pixels. What's wrong with this line? Okay, I don't care. This is still tuple of ints. Okay, and this formatting is kinda wrong for me. Expected type list of tuple of int code list of bool. What? Oh, it's a list of bool. It is list of bool, and actually, I can move this here. Control U is used as a vim command. Yeah, right. Because I'm vim now. I'm a vim man now. Okay. So origin. Line, does it infer the type actually? Oh, it does. That's interesting. Now, maybe I only have to specify. Okay, so this also infers the type, obviously. I probably only have to specify types for the function signatures. And it's gonna infer the rest. Well, this is not really right, but yeah. Okay. Wait, this is color, by the way. Actually. Okay, so v is origin. Origin is tuple of int anything. Here it is tuple of int anything. Here is tuple of int anything. V is tuple of int for some reason. Sure, fine. Okay, now points. Append v visited through points neighbor points equals filter. What's up here? Simplifying chain comparison. Wait, don't say you can. Oh my gosh, Python allows this syntax. Oh my god. Yeah, that's cool. That's actually cool. Let me give it to Python. No, it doesn't suggest me do the same thing here because ordering. Now, can you simplify this and simplify that for me? Now, do you even count neighbors? Yes, I do. What's wrong? Unexpected argument? What do you mean? Oh, wait. Oh yeah, it doesn't take color, right? And here it's just pixels. Now, I mean, we just imported this. Pose find bone. Can we just rename this to? Oops. How do I rename F6? Shift F6? I don't remember. Rename. Oh, it refactor rename Shift F6. Why doesn't it want to? Oh, it can't find the declaration. What? src pools, import pools from pools, import find pools bone. Nope. I want to leave import pools. And here somewhere. Okay, now why? Attribute reference for class image. Oh, pose as a module and pose as an image. Okay, so let's rename this to pose emg. No, nope. Pose dot. Nope. Pose. So here I can do this. Shift F6 for renaming. Find the bone because pose is in the name. Oops. Okay, now this should still work. With color and image pose emg. Okay, this still works, or at least it seems to. Where's the image? Does it auto update? Okay, it does auto update, and it broke actually. Okay, that's bad. How did we break it? Oh wait, this is wrong. This is totally wrong. Plus 0.0 y plus 0.1. Now that's better. That's better. Okay, now it works. And automatic reloading. What IDE can do that? Automatic reloading of an image, I mean. Expected types, sure. Okay, now let's, I guess, do a skin map one. New file, new Python file. Python file. I said skin map, I guess. And sure, I don't care. Now, just cut this out, put it here. Okay, actually, I'm gonna do from pal dot image here. Then I'm gonna do same thing here from pal image import image or skin map image. Then let's borrow some types here. Yep. So I can actually rename this to pose. Shift of 6 pose. And color is color. This returns list of IVEC, I think. Or IVEC or none, actually. Next. Next we have points. Yes, I've decided to name skin map. Blue Belt, I don't know how to pronounce your name properly. Thank you for the follow. Okay, so we need pixels. Pixels equals skin map load. Also, probably need width and height. Skin map size. This is height. This is width. Skin map pixels. Yep, just pixels. Next, we just do this. What's wrong with it? Shadows name point. Oh, come on. There isn't even a name point. Again. Whole delta. I'm not sure. Point shadows name from outer scope. Parameter of unnamed. Still, where does the point come from? There's no point in outer scope. Infinite of image. There's no point in outer scope. What do you mean? There is point. Uh, yeah, for that you need a sub, and I don't have money to gift you one. I actually could, for all those things you've done for the channel. Um, Shadow name point. From outer, there is no point in outer scope. There's no point in the scope. Yeah, to gift a sub on my channel, I need to pay for it. Which is, yeah. I mean, Twitch wants to make money, that's why. Okay, I still don't understand where the point comes from. I guess this one, but no. Um, how much do I get from subs? Depends on the country. So I get 50% exactly. From what the person paid, and 50% goes to Twitch. So from US sub costs $5, and I get $2.50 from it. Belarusian sub or Indian sub costs $1, and I get 50 cents from it. That's basically it. So I get exactly half of what you paid. And for cheers, it's actually a little different. For bits, I get 1 cent per bit, but bits cost different stuff in different countries. So I don't normally play games. So for bits, Twitch doesn't always take a cut of 50%. For example, in some country, bits cost $1.6 per 100 bits, and I get $1 out of it. So Twitch makes a cut of about 30%. But that does mean that opposite also works. Ooh, second, finally. So yeah, I don't really play games. Maybe Minecraft sometimes. And I kind of want to play Turing Complete, but it is paid. And not that I have much time for this. Shadows, I don't know what to do for it's shadows, I don't know why. Typo in word x min. It's not typo. It's not typo. Okay, fine. I'm gonna rename it to x underscore min and do the same for all of those. Um, um, yeah, I'll. This is like on Freedom's stream. Yeah, might be funny. I mean, I guess it's not. This name didn't originate from English. Uh, from any like from English speaking speech. Yeah. By the way, I should probably correct this redeem. Uh, what is play game? Edit. Yeah. Now I know why Freedom changed this so much. Okay, now that's better. I don't know why it shadows. The blob is just a matrix. A list of none. Now, and here it gets to list of none. Okay, no. This should be none. This should be a list of none or IVEC. Or actually, can I swap this? I think I can swap this. No, I can't. IVEC. So for Java, there are like I can like swap stuff with those things. Okay, so we have this. Oh, by the way, press Ctrl Q to toggle preview. I like previews, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, now. For what GMTK game jam? Last one or this one? I mean, I guess he didn't participate in this one, and I don't know if I need a break at some point. This he actually participated in this game jam? What? Um, point. 3 hours ago. Well, actually, I think it's like 16 more hours to go. Well, no, not 16 more hours. So it is actually, I think it's like, well, actually, I think it's like 2 more hours. I don't know for sure, but one of the GMTK, one of the time limits on GMTK runs out in about, I think, an hour or two, maybe 3. I'm not sure. Well, actually, no, more. I think more. Okay, I think this function is done. And also I'm gonna rename this to find blob. Okay, now here. Have a good coffee. Skin map. Okay, now. Now. Unresolved reference. Oh yeah, imported. Import pose, import skin map. Can I add a line in here? Okay, now pose. I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do skin map. Names this. Wait. And its usages, sure. It's not used anywhere. And yes, skin also. Pool size, yes. Then have pixels. Draw line A, IVEC B, IVEC color. Okay, let's do like Python module types. And yeah, this is kind of bad to name it like that. From types import everything. Put same thing here. Then here's well. Import everything. Okay, then we have this. What's wrong here? Redeclared. Ooh, yeah. Import posted. Can I do like from post import find bone s find pose? Can I do something like that? I think I can from skin map import find blob s find skin map blob. I mean, yeah. Okay, so draw line. What shadows again? Obviously, it shadows something. There is nothing to shadow. There is no color. Okay, but yeah, h strips. This typo just, yeah, rename that to kebab case. Oops. Get this to kebab case. Find pose boon. Then we do endpoints. Then we do find skin map globe. Skin map. Okay, so let's do let's actually make a function out of this. Def process frame image. Yes, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's move this out. Actually, let's move this whole thing into the function. So this is gonna be frame array size. Then it's shadows. I hate this. Let's just extract this as a separate function. Draw line image, or like actually pixels. Untyped, because we can't type this thing. It's untyped from pillow. Now process frame size pixels is image load, then do frame. Okay, then we do some magic. Shadows built-in name dir. Do I rename that to normal? Okay, it's not tangent, it's like what is it, tangent? It's not like tangent, it's like direction of a curve. So it's like derivative. Well, kinda similar. It's not normal. Let's call it normal. Then we get x-axis, offsets, typo in word chords, rename to, okay, what would you suggest? Oh, it's chords without, with a single O. Okay. Replace equality. Is not L. Okay. Let's just do pixel. What's wrong? Not with equality anymore. Might be referenced before assignment. It can't be referenced before assignment. So here it is assigned. Actually, let me move this like that. Okay, that's better. I don't understand what's wrong here. I don't care about this shadowing. Okay, mg equals process frame. We give it pose, and it does the thing. Doesn't return anything. Oh, sorry. Make it return an image, and actually return it. Like that. No, like that. Color is not defined here. Here actually. From types import asterisk. What? There is color here. Huh? Cannot import name. What? Okay, I think it's like. Let's do type defs. Maybe this will work better. Okay, this is much better. Now here, draw line requires one positional argument, which is actually an image. Or pixels, it's pixels. Okay, now. And, yay. We are back after a refactor. Let's refactor. And now let's see. Obviously push. Don't forget to push this stuff. Now, and this is interesting. If we go here and remove the line completely, you decide when it's time to play a game. So yeah, if we remove this, oh, right, maybe. So what they're gonna see? Oh, that's much worse, actually. Okay, so if we open it in a sprite, well, can I open it like here? Nah, a sprite. So can I drag it into no? Okay, I guess copy that, and then I wanna copy pose. Copy. Now let's look at this. Let's look what it does. So here's the first point. It's really hard to tell, but it's a diagonal point, so it creates this pixel, and this pixel. Then this section draws, and this is diagonal again. This, and this. Let's compare. Where does this come from? Okay, now that's a question. Where does this thing come from? That's a great question. Because oh wait, oh I forgot that I'm also feeling this point, this point, this point, and this point. Wait, this point in diagonals. Because this is hard, and I should probably not do that. Then we do this. Then we do this section. Then we do this section. Actually, with this section and this section, and there's our arm. Now, if I actually remove this dirty hack, this is the worst hack I made. Not H strips and ABS normals. Yeah, this is a terrible hack I made. Okay, let's look closely. This function is actually very bad. EMG shadows name EMG. A single sprite, yeah. I mean, all of this is to convert this image and this image and this image into this image without the skeleton, obviously. And I mean, I can pipe as many sprites as I want into it, as long as I have predefined poses. And obviously, if I call the function process frame, I am intending for this to be multiple frames around the skin.png. No, it maps the skin.png. In future, it's actually gonna be UV mapping, so we can do skins dynamically. Ad breaks coming. I wonder, can you hear? What can you hear? Can you hear the background noise? think you can. You birds, you don't hear the background noise? Like, no way, it's so loud. Also, it's not the background. It's not the background. Yeah, birds are here singing, but there's also a background noise. And it's getting hot in here because all the windows are closed. Should probably fix it. Uh, by the way, ad break notifications work, which is a good sign. Okay, so yeah, this function is still kind of messy because it has a lot of edge cases and whatnot. Like those parameters, endpoints is just hard coding adding additional points. H strips is just hard coding to use a simpler algorithm. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. So yeah, endpoints just adds an endpoint. Then this probably should be separated. Last row, not used. What? Never used? What? Oh yeah, because I commented out lines. Okay, so row is a blob. Um, I'm taking the row. Then if it's H strips, then we're only going downwards. Else we try to calculate the normal, which is this one. I know this code for sure. It is good. It works flawlessly on all my like everywhere. I spent quite some time on it. It works just like I would do. Then we calculate the x-axis by just rotating normal 90 degrees clockwise, this is how you rotate stuff 90 degrees clockwise in 2D. You do y and minus x for your point. Yeah. Then we do offset. I don't know what offset is. Wait, I don't know. I do know what offset is. And then we are actually filling this row. I never used. Oh, it's declared in for loop with statement above. Okay, can you stop talking about shadowing? Disable inspection. I don't care. Can you just redo this? There is no equality operator anymore. Pixel. No. Okay, so here just calculate the chords and draw it. Yeah, I tried to fix it with draw lines, but this is actually a bad way when ads are playing. Okay, be right back. Didn't notice the ad. The image was like frozen for some reason, but now it's okay. Yeah. Open the window at least, which leaves more background noises, but at least I can breathe now. Okay, so we have, yeah, this is a temporary fix. I mean temporary. This kind of works, but and this is even worse now. Okay, no way you can't hear what's happening outside. Like actually. To your point. Yeah. Then we do offset. I don't know what I never just calculate. Yeah. We have worse. No. Yeah, I can't really hear anything. Huh? Okay, so yeah, we need to do something about this. So if we look closely here, especially at the leg, which is where most of the problems come in, actually vertical would probably be better for this one. Like just going down, because those diagonals. Can we hard code that if there is a vertical line here and here, this one should be pointing downwards? So if like next and last a normal smudge. Okay, I actually need to do. So this is line, which means I can put a function in here. Def calculate normal index int returns I back. Just takes this out. Normal equals calculate normal I. Now I'm gonna store last normal. None. Well, do I really need it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna store the last normal. Last normal equals normal. Now, here if last normal is, first of all, is if this is equal to wait, not equal to actually. So if any of those are zeros, what this means, or will end ABS next normal, look ahead normal. Well, actually maybe I should do my caching like on the next level. Next normal is calculate normal of 0 index, and then here I do next normal is calculate normal at I plus 1 if I plus 1 is less than line, else normal. And then if those are both straight and okay, so I need to split this up. So can I do R enter? Oh, I can. Nice. And yeah, I need parentheses in here for it to be valid. So and last normal equals next normal. Well, actually, I don't really need this. So if the normal is straight and it's the same as last and next are the same. I should probably switch those around. Okay, so showing this, yeah. So here then normal equals last normal. Yeah, kinda. Oh, and yeah, you can remove parentheses now. Yeah, this is kinda cheating, but sure. If I is greater than 0, else free variable I, where is shaded? Oh, yeah. Where is calculate normal? Here, instead of I should use index. Oh, I can't. I hate when I can't like do multiple cursors properly. I mean, I can do multiple cursors in here somehow. Um, like that, for example. But that's not a Vim way. And I'm not saying that Vim way of multiple cursors is good, because Vim doesn't have a multiple cursors. Multiple cursors by default. I'll actually return and this, then return this. Return this. Okay. I wonder how you cannot hear this. I get so much noises. Is OBS's noise suppression actually that good? Okay, what's wrong? Double of float int instead. This is int as int. Can I do this? Nope. Wait. It's just C style. Oh wait, function style cast, not C style. Int. And yeah, I could like wrap it or something, but no. Int. Int. This. Okay. Actually, we've removed all floating point operations. What? Shadows name normal from outer scope. I don't care. Disable this. This shadow inspection is like the worst. Okay. Unless I don't understand something. Okay, now. Cannot access free variable point here. In calculate normal. So here I can just do line index instead of point. Line index. Okay, now this thing should work, and we should get okay, that's much better, but still hands are broken. I think hands are even more broken this time. Well, actually, we've removed the hack, so that's why they are broken. Now, pause. Pause, I said. Copy image. Okay, so let's see. This leg is literally just straight. Legs are just almost perfect in here, except this part. Here, 1 pixel is missing, which is easy, relatively easy to fix. But hands, they are much more curvy in here. And here, for example, this one is a diagonal one. So here we get this part. Oops, sorry. I just almost threw my mic off the table. So yeah, we get this part painted and this part painted. And then this part painted, and then this obviously. So we are missing a lot of pixels in here. So which one should we tackle? there are like two edge cases, really, and they're all because of diagonals. If you remove diagonals, this kind of works. So when there are two diagonals, and by two diagonals I mean in the straight line, like they are going in the same direction. We are missing those two pixels, and I don't know where to sample those from, really. And then when there is diagonal transitioning from or to a straight line, we are missing one pixel. This one. Well, maybe also this one, really. Two pixels, but I mean, not a big problem. And yeah, obviously from diagonal to straight, same problem. Those two or just one pixel is missing. Let's actually see how it's gonna look if I put one pixel here. It's gonna look just fine with two pixels, also just fine. I feel like we need two pixels. Okay, so which one do we do? This arm, by the way, has the same issues. Which edge case do we do first? I mean, I guess I need both, really. And I have no idea how to implement either of them, obviously. Let's think. So we have this row and this row. So we obviously know that this is the turn. We can check for this, because this is an edge case. How do we fill in those 2 points? So, first of all, I guess this point is above, so we need to fill in stuff below it. We actually, let me open in a sprite. Call this. Open those two and make hands 4 pixels thick. Just so we can see it more clearly. Well, actually, let's make this hand only and make it 5 pixels thick, actually. 1, 2. Okay, and then to see the change, we probably need to extend this as well. Now, let's run this. And let's see the change. Okay. Put this on top. Okay, now we can actually see. This is more 6, so we can actually see which pixels we need to fill. And there are many. Well, many. Not that many. We can try use draw line. So from this point to this point, filling only intermediates, but it's gonna skip this point, for example, probably, which is a problem. So I don't really know how to do the curve properly here. Like, we can join them with lines, which is what I did before. So those 2 pixels are gonna be filled then. Well, not those two, this one, and yeah. But that's not enough, as you can see. Those 2 pixels which are offline, just like here. Well, that's why we had all those hacks working together. Let's actually see what happens if we enable the hacks again. So one of them is drawing a line, well, lines, and another of them is trying to fix diagonals. Image is gonna be perfect. Should probably be like about perfect, but that's not a solution, really. And well, yeah, it is pretty much perfect. the hand is too sick because we made it, so just as a reminder, copy that, put that here, wait, no, here, here. Now, this is pretty much what we want, except that UVs are pretty messed up with this. Like, I mean, it's fact that we generated the whole pose. I don't wanna just continue with that. Let's see what we can do with it. On save. Okay, so I need to open this in a sprite. So this is pose. Now, can I copy that? Open the player sprite, which contains all poses, pre-made from my last one, which were all done manually. Okay, line that. Yeah, I changed the head a little bit, so it doesn't look as janky. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, right. So here is the run animation, and yes, it's colored differently. So noises are like really bad, but at least I can breathe today. There's air, because it gets hot when there's no air. Okay, let's. Oh, this actually is annotation already. Now let's do. What is this? 11 pixels? Can I just copy the head from here? And this is also off. Yeah, also, I should probably just delete all those layers. How do you delete? Okay, let's do flatten and let's. How do you delete a layer? I did. Okay, I guess let's paste the head. So it is still straighter, a little bit straighter because it's hard to turn the head. Now let's do the coloring. Oh, I forgot to mention, I cheated here. See this intersection? Like, if there wasn't this intersection, it would be broken. So you cheated. I actually wonder how it will do for this one. And yeah, we'll also need to cheat or to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. Really. Okay, and so this 1 pixel and this 1 pixel, then it means I can do like this. And this is the second hand, but I don't know where the second hand should go. It's like invisible. So I'm gonna only leave this pixel, single pixel. Cheating, right? But I guess that's what we're gonna do. Now I don't know how to do the intersection here again. Why I can't paint? What? I can't. What? What is that? Is this like ultimate? Oh, the snap to grid. Ew. So much snap, in fact. How did I paint this thing? Okay, so in order to properly do the intersection, I guess this is about the way, but it moves the hand so much that I'm not sure if I want to do this. So maybe, I don't know. So maybe we can do like for each neighbor, if there is one neighboring pixel, like try to continue here. So for this pixel there is no neighboring pixels. For this pixel there is one. For this pixel there is one. I mean, ideally it would be more complex. Okay, let's try getting this pose. And actually, canvas size, I can just subtract 10 here, and this was 40. Now delete that, paste this here. Oh, and I forgot to color the legs. Okay, let me just finish the coloring. This thing is red. No, this is still black, and this point is an origin. Then legs, right leg. This leg is the right leg. Let's do 8 connected, and let's do the origin point. Then is this green? This is green, right? This is green origin point, and this is the leg. Now paste this here. Oh, wait, those should be blue, shouldn't they? Yeah, those should have been blue. Hold on. Do this, and the color, the origin color. Okay. Now let's try to run this, and you'll see what happens. Ooh, in listing this out of range. What? Here. Origin. No way I missed a color. Okay, so there are two blues. This is blue, right? Yeah, this is blue. This is this one, which is 0064. Then there's this one is also a color C0, which is 00192. Those are origins. Then we have two origins here. This one, which is 19200, and this one, which is 6400. Then this origin, which is 01920, and this one, which is 0640. Right. So I didn't miss any origins. Why is it? No. Why is it not working then? And depths. Our leg, body, alarm leg. Yeah, they are all intact. What do you mean? So there is origin xy for x and range width for y and range height. If pixels xy equal to origin color. Yeah, right, exactly. Okay, let's print color, I guess. Wait, did I copy it over? Oh wait, I didn't copy it over. That's why. That's the problem we're gonna get. Okay, so this is intended for developers, so not for artists, obviously. Okay, so now I can actually demonstrate the problem. As generated image is missing a half of the body because it was intercepted here. This line, this body line, was intercepted by this hand line, and I mean, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it by searching for an intermediate point. So in pose, we are gonna do what we're gonna do here. Points, if length points equals 0, then instead of breaking, we're gonna check if there is a neighboring point in each of those neighbor. Wait, actually, okay, yeah. So for okay, this is filtered already. So this just filters not visited points and then okay, so this filter should be separate. Um, so there are next potential. Next is this potential. Next max of potential. Next. Okay, so here I do 4 point in points. So oh, Python has Python has this interesting feature. Else is like when 4 wasn't broken. I think. Okay, so for or while actually. So this point, this is a neighbor. Now we can count neighbors around it. Yeah. So we can. What I'm trying to do here is if we go to pause. So for this point, we are searching for a neighbor, but we can't find any. Then we are going through each of its neighbors, like of any color. The main thing is that they are not visited, and then we are looking at its neighbors, and then if there is one neighbor that matches the color and everything, then we are going there. Yeah. And also probably recording it in the list. Okay, so potential next points. Yeah. So if count neighbors of point and color. Oh, it has a color in it and visited all checks in it. If it's greater than 0, then we're just gonna do potential next equals point, or actually, so it's empty, so I'm gonna append point, and hold on, the door opened, it's wind. Okay, I'm back. Also filled my water. So yeah, should be it. Now, let's see what happened. Still no. Still no. Oh, I forgot to... Wait, if I break here... Okay, so instead of this else, I'm gonna add an if back. If potential next is empty this time, okay, this time it works. Yeah, yay. Oh, this looks so weird. Especially with this point. I wonder how it looked like when I drew it myself. So not cage the countdown. Wait, what does cage the countdown doing here? Why did I clone it? Okay, I guess. Where is... Oh, it's this is Godot project, so I need to open it like that. Okay, if we do this frame, it actually just doesn't exist. So this is not much different. Yeah, look, which one do you like better? They're the same, pretty much. Well, not the same, but at this point, really, I should probably remove it. I mean, I can just literally hide the hand if there is no point in here. So I'll also remove it here. So if there is no origin point, uh, if origin len origin is greater than 0, origin equals origin 0, else return an empty line. So there are nothing to map against. And then, or actually none. Not an empty line, let's do none. Find bone, which returns a list of IVEC or none. So if a line len line is equal to 0, wait, if line is none, continue. So if there is no point, if there is no line, then so we can just continue. Can close that image. Okay, now that's a frame, a solid frame. It kind of works. This leg is kind of wrong actually. Bring a sprite back.